Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you folks are. Good day to you. This is Rajiv again, and I try and break down complex things like finance, money, technology, and make it more actionable for you. So, if you're a youngster just starting out, if you're trying to dream and build something big, this is the channel for you. Look forward to diving straight in. यहाँ पे सीधी बात होगी and actionable होगा. ये promise देता हूँ मैं आपको. Today, we are here to talk about something that's inspiring a lot of fear in all of us, and that's AI. आज AI के माहौल में, whenever you talk about AI, people are, the dominant, emotion that it triggers in people is fear. If AI can do everything, then what will I do? If AI can code better, write better, read better, generate ideas better, action things better, then what is my need? And मान लिया, AI knows more. It knows more than I do or you do about most things, and it'll only get better. And it's getting better at such an exponential rate that by the time, another 2 years have passed, AI will be really, really up there. So मान लिया. But the question is, AI, just because you know more about something does not mean you can do something. There's a difference between knowing and doing, and that I think is very important for us to understand. पहली बात यह है कि how do you take decisions? You take decisions on the back of conviction. You take decisions on the back of trust. You take decisions on the back of relationships. That's what you use to take decisions. You're not going to fall in love with somebody because AI said so. You're not going to invest your life savings into your flat because AI says so. You're not even going to create a portfolio of stocks because AI says so. You need much deeper, much more things than that. And that's an important differentiation between what AI does or can do and what you're about. वो हमेशा याद रखिएगा. Life runs on much more than just information. And AI might be the king of information, right? But that's not everything in it. So पहली बात तो ये. So the question is, how do you think about AI? To my mind, you think about AI the way you would think about a tool, right? For instance, right? जब humans ने horses को domesticate किया था, when you domesticated horses, right? Everybody was not jumping around thinking, यार अब horse मेरे से 4 गुना तेजी से दौड़ेगा, इसलिए मेरा तो कट गया. That's not what people thought, right? People said, okay, jump on the horse and go much faster. You can go 4 times the distance on the horse as compared to what you're doing right now when you're running or walking. And that's the way you need to think about AI. Think about your AI like you would think about the horse when this caveman domesticated the horse. You are using this as a tool to get that much faster, that much further. And if you're able to do that in a way that's consistent, you're able to leverage the AI and you're able to make it work, trust me, that's the game to play. So ultimately, the race is not between AI and humans. It's a race between people that don't have AI and the people that have AI, and they're running faster. And आपको ये पथ पे होना है, ये पथ पे नहीं. And that, I think, is an important learning that you have. Of course, there's a lot of jargon about what is happening, DeepSeek, ChatGPT, Perplexity, ये वो हर रोज एक नया मॉडल निकलता है. मगर ये सब से आप एक चीज याद रखिएगा, the important thing for you is to focus on getting faster to where you want to go. As long as you keep that North Star in your mind, you're sorted. And that's the way you need to think about AI. Thank you. I hope you like this session. I look forward to hearing from you, either comments or any other ideas or topics you want me to talk about. Please subscribe and like, important to us. Look forward to the next time. Namaskar.